This problem is an example of a descriptive math problem. Basahin natin at sagutin natin ito. Let's try to find a fraction that satisfies the following conditions. Write down the process and answer. Okay, first na condition, a fraction with a denominator of 40. Second condition, a fraction greater than 5 over 8 and less than 19 over 20. And third condition, a fraction where both the numerator and denominator are divisible by 5. So according sa first na condition, okay, if a fraction, okay, with a denominator of 40 is this fraction, okay, ang fraction na ito, okay, this fraction na may denominator na 40, okay, is greater than 5 over 8. So this is greater than 5 over 8 and less than 19 over 20. So we have less than 19 over 20. Okay, para malaman nga kung tamang less than or greater than ang mga fractions na ito, okay, kunin natin ang mga equivalent fractions. Okay, ng mga fractions na ito. Okay, kailangan ang equivalent fraction ng 5 over 8 at 19 over 20 ay may denominator na 40 para ma-compare natin ng mas mabilis. Okay, so gawin nating 40 ang mga denominators ng mga fractions na ito. So, i-multiply natin ang 5 at 8 by 5. So, 5 times ang 5, this is 25. So, 8 times 5, 40. So, 25 over 40 is less than this fraction na may denominator na 40. And then, ang fraction na ito is less than this fraction. Okay, kunin din natin ang equivalent fraction na ito na may denominator na 40. So, 20 times ang 2, this is 40, and then 19 times 2, 38. So, we have 38 over 40. Okay, so para masatisfy natin ang equation or ang problem na ito, okay, ang mga fractions na pwedeng mag-satisfy ay ang mga fractions na 26 over 40, okay, hanggang 37 over 40. So, ang mga fractions sa bracket na ito. Okay, according sa third na condition, a fraction where both the numerator, okay, both numerator, okay, and denominator are, okay, divisible. Okay, by 5. Okay, tingnan natin. Okay, ang susunod, 26 is not divisible by 5. 27, 28, hindi rin, 29, 30. Okay, 30 is divisible by 5. So, pwede ang 30 over 40. Okay, next. 31, hindi. 32, 33, 34. Okay, so we have 35. 35 is divisible by 5. So, 35 over 40. How about 36? Hindi. 37, hindi rin. So, ang mga fractions ay 30 over 40 at 35 over 40. So, our answers here are fractions 30 over 40 and 35 over 40.